Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Let's do some more destashing, shall we? If you want to see me go through this big box of stuff and decide what to keep and what to get rid of, keep watching. Okay, so if you didn't see my first destash video, you can go watch that. But I think I'm going to do about 4 videos because I have other drawers and other boxes to go through. I think it's going to probably be around 4. And I'm going to be giving stuff away mostly to my patrons. I may do a giveaway here at some point. I don't know. And I'm probably going to be donating some things. And someone suggested a women's shelter, and I think that's a good idea. And also my daughter, Allie, she's an elementary school teacher. So some of the things may be going to her school. I don't know. So let's just take a look and see what's in this box. Okay, first up we have some habit trackers. If I'm being honest, like I don't ever use these. So basically what I do if I'm tracking habits is I make my own habit trackers. Although these are like actually really big and kind of cool. This is what I do when I go through things. Like I find something and I'm like, I don't need that. But then I'm like, do I though? I might need that. I don't think I'm going to use these. So these will go in the giveaway pile. Okay, next up we have some Mickey and Minnie dashboards, which are really, really cute. I have so many dashboards that I only need to keep like so many, you know what I mean? I only use them in my work planner typically to separate sections. I could use them in my regular planner as a bookmark, but I usually don't. I usually just either leave my planner open or just find the page. I'm really basic when it comes to planning. I don't use a lot of accessories. I know a lot of other people do, but I'm not like someone who uses a lot. So this is going to go in the giveaway pile, even though they're cute and it's hard to let these things go. We've got some discs here. So I have some classic plastic black discs, and then some Mickey ones. I have some mini marble ones, and then these are those discs that are like plain without anything, without any heart. I think I'm going to keep these because maybe I'll use them on my planner next year. I think they're really cool. I'll probably use them on my work planner, but these are going in the giveaway pile. My keep pile is going to be over here. Okay, I have a florals sticker book, and basically the box I'm going through is the box that was in my basement. And when I get products from the Happy Planner that maybe I have already or stuff that I think I might not be able to use and I'm considering giving away, I will put them in that box or other boxes that I have in my house. And sometimes it's like I'm just putting this stuff aside to go through later. I may keep it, I may not. But usually when I put a sticker book in there, it means that I already have that sticker book. And I do have at least 1, probably 2 of these sticker books. So this is going to be a giveaway. And for my my patrons, I have, for the $15 and up patrons, we have a Facebook group. And every month I do a giveaway on the Facebook group. Sometimes it's a sticker book, sometimes it's a planner, stuff like that. So I'll be giving this away in the Facebook group. I just noticed, look at this bruise I have. Bumble bit me. Can you... She actually was playing with her toy, and you know how dogs get. Like, she gets all rammy, and then, like, I was, like, holding it, and she, you know how this goes. Like, she let go of it, and then she went to grab it and grabbed my hand. So, that's my dog bite. Okay. Here is another sticker book that I believe I already have. I think I have 2 of these, unless, actually, I don't know if I have this one up here or not. Maybe I should keep this one. I'm going to put this in the maybe pile because I think I have the one that's like this, but smaller pictures. I kind of like this. I don't know why this was in that pile. See, that's why like I have to go through these things. So I have some Mickey and Minnie filler paper. It's super cute, you guys, but I'm probably not ever going to use it, so giveaway. Here we have a weekly sticker kit. I think someone gave this to me. It's really cute. It's real cute. I like how neutral it is. Ooh, I like those. This is Capital Chic Designs. I actually might keep this because it's like black and white. I don't like the gold as much, but I do like the black and white. I don't know. This is a maybe. Where's my maybe pile? Okay. More pins, you guys. More pins. I haven't decided if I'm keeping pins or not and collecting them or giving them away. Maybe pile. Okay, these are the big goal sheets that like open up. They open and then they fold out. I don't think I'm ever going to use these just because like I don't typically like things that fold out in my planner. I kind of like to keep like just a sheet. I know a lot of people do like that to like save space and everything, but so you can see like your planner spread, but I don't use half sheets much in general. Sometimes I do for lists like brain dumps and packing lists and stuff like that. I will use half sheets, but I don't use them that often. And I really don't think that I'm going to use half sheets that open. So I'm going to give those away. Okay, so we have daily sheets that are like the hourly schedule. Why is this in this box? I'm keeping this because I love daily sheets and I love the ones that have like to-dos and also have the schedule on them. Maybe this is in the box because I have this already, but I don't think so. I don't think so. So I am keeping that. All right. So now here's where you're going to be mad at me. Here's where you're going to be mad at me because I have some planners that I didn't use. And like what happens is, like I said, sometimes when I get the stuff from the Happy Planner and I haven't decided what I'm using yet, what I'm giving away, I'll put planners in a box. The planners that they give me. And then I will think, okay, I'm going to go through those later and decide, and then I'm going to give them away or keep them or use them or whatever. And sometimes it doesn't happen and I forget and then the planner goes unused. I feel really bad about that. I know. I feel really bad about that. Also though, like for me to give all this stuff away, it's like a lot of shipping. So planners aren't cheap to ship really, you know what I mean? So I don't know. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I feel bad because this one only goes to December, but I just realized that like this I could be using for patron spreads. Why didn't I do that? I can always redate. I'm going to put this in the planner pile that's like, you know, expired planners. And then I have to decide what to do with those. It's not expired yet. It's only October. But yeah, and I see more planners in this box, you guys, and I'm embarrassed that I have them, but I do. Okay. So here we have a big Happy Notes notebook kit. And this is one I got in, I think, remember those mystery bundles at Black Friday last year? I got like those mystery bundles and like one of these, this came in that. And it includes stickers and a folder and stuff in it. I'm going to give this away just because I think someone just starting out might be able to use this stuff. And I already have this exact big notebook. And that is why it is in this box because I was going to give it away. So that's a giveaway. Okay, more things you're going to be angry at me about. And you guys, I don't do this on purpose. I really don't. It's just sometimes like the amount of product I get, it is overwhelming. And like I put things off. Oh, I already explained it. I put things off to make decisions about later. And you know how it goes. I'm a procrastinator. I've told you this before. So I procrastinated on many planners, including the Disney ones. I wasn't sure whether to keep them or not. I wasn't sure if I was going to do a Disney giveaway, and I didn't do it. So I have this Minnie and I have this Minnie. Wait, this is undated. Oh, good. Is it? Yeah, this is good. Okay, this is undated. So this is definitely going to be something I can give away. This one is dated, so it's going to go in the expired pile. All right. We have some more discs here. These are really pretty, but I don't use a mini planner anymore, so I don't know that I'm going to use those. These, I really like the color, but I don't really want the princess, the crown on them. I'm just looking at my planners to see if I have, I don't know if I have like a planner with light pink discs on it or not. I might keep these only because here's what I do. So when I take photos of my planner pages, I have planners available that already have the discs in them in the colors that I typically like to use. And what I do is I take the planner spread and I pop it in that fake planner, which is actually a real planner, but it's not the one I'm currently using. And that's how I take a picture. That way I can match the disc to my spread and I don't have to create a whole new planner. So I have to look and see if I have a classic size and a big size one with the pink discs, because I really do use a lot of pink spreads. I think I do, but I'm going to check on that. So that's a maybe. Bumble says, Mama, why aren't you listening to me? Okay. So here we have a Happy Notes mini notebook. And this is dotted line. It's super cute. Sometimes I keep these, and I know it's crazy, but since this is my job, sometimes I keep these notebooks so that, well, first of all, I can always use extra filler paper, but I have so much now already. But sometimes I keep them so that I can take like photos. So like, okay, so this might be like in the background of my photo. It's like a prop. Do you know what I mean? If I do like a Disney spread. So, or I might like do this and, sit it down like that and I'll have my spread. So sometimes I keep it just for that. And I think that's why I was keeping this one. And that's so cute. And also sometimes I'll do like it's got black and white polka dots. So it's just like kind of sits there in the background. But since this has been sitting in my basement for, months and months, I think I can safely give it away. Okay. Another expired planner. I am like considering not even showing these to you guys because I feel so bad about it. Oh, this one is missing a disc because the disc broke. And it's just a dashboard layout wrong planner. So this is going to go in the expired planners pile until I figure out what to do with those. Okay. Here we have a guided happy journal, which is super cute, but I don't typically use guided journals myself. I probably should, but since I have so many planners to write in, sometimes I feel like the guided journals are just one more thing I have to do. Do you know what I mean? Like I like them a lot and I love the idea of them, but I use my creative journal every week, and like to then use my creative journal and then use this on top of it feels like it would become a chore for me. And that's why I don't use the guided journals. So I'm going to give this one away. All right, let's see. Another one, you guys, another one. I think I kept this one because I loved the dividers so much and I was going to use them for like props. But I also have the big version of this, so I don't know what my excuse is. So yeah, I'm sorry. If you're I feel like, ooh, but these are good. Why aren't I using, I didn't know I had like this version of the dashboard in the classic size. I should have been using this because I use a classic dashboard for my work planner, but I've been using pages that look like this. Wait, let me get them. And I don't like these nearly as much because I hate this part and the colors. Like, this is so much nicer. And I love those fonts. Why aren't I using these? In fact, I'm going to use this for the remainder of the year. So I'm keeping this. Oh, I'm glad I found that. Okay. Let's see. Here we have another, oh no, this is undated. Okay. This one's undated, and it's just a classic Minnie Mouse Happy Planner vertical. So I think I'm going to keep this for undated spreads. I don't know. Like, it has these on it, but I can cover those up. I think maybe I'm going to keep this for the Patreon spreads. Maybe. It's going to go in my maybe pile because I do have another undated planner that doesn't have those Mickey heads on it. So I don't know. Let's see what else is in here. I hope there's no more expired planners, you guys. I hope there's not, because like you're going to be mad at me. Please don't be mad at me. I only do what I can do. Like, I try. I try, but it's so hard to keep up. As you know from my Let It Go. My Let It Go video. Okay, this is an undated, I believe. Yeah, this one's the undated Wrong planner that she had sent to me. And I really like it, but you guys know I'm a happy planner at heart, and I don't really do coils very well. So this is going to go in the giveaway pile. All right. This is part of a set that I have. The other one's on my desk holding some sticker books. And I don't know why this is in the box. I could use this on my desk for like some cute thing. I don't know what, but I'm going to keep it. Maybe for like my scissors and stuff, I'm going to keep this because it's cute. All right. Here I have a Planything kit that I put it all back in the bag and I did not use it. So let me check it out. Bumble. Oh, I don't know what these are doing in here. I must have been using them for this spread. I like these. Why are the boxes there? I'm glad I looked. I'm going to put this in my box pile. The pretty Planscape boxes. Put that over there. The rest of it is going to go back in the bag for Planything. Oh, I do like this pen though. I do collect the Planything pens. I'm going to keep the pen. And then I'm going to give away the rest of the stuff. I have some other, although I do like the scrapbook paper. I have some other like half Planything kits. So what I might do is like put them together in some sort of like Planything remnants box or something. I don't know, but that's going to be given away. And let's see. I have this by itself. Wellness Planner Companion Accessory Pack. But it doesn't have the rest of it, so it must be in another box. I have a random Christmas washi tape. And that is it. So that's everything that was in that box. Come here, Bumble. Here she is, the mess of the day. So anyway, thank you for tuning in and stay tuned. I'm going to try to do a Destash video once a week in October. So yeah, stay tuned for those. You guys seem to like the first one, so I think you might like these. And part of the reason I'm destashing my stuff is that you're probably just looking at the top of her head right now. One of the reasons I'm destashing my stuff is because I am moving in with my fiance next year. So I want to get kind of a handle on the stuff that I have because it's gotten out of control and I don't need all this stuff. So yeah, I'm taking care of that. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Bye.